Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is quench. Quench basically means to satisfy a thirst or desire to extinguish a fire or flame. बुझाने के सेंस में जब यूज हो रहा होता है तो तब हम जो है ना वो quench का वर्ड यूज करते हैं. Example include after playing sports all day, I was so thirsty that I drank a whole bottle of water to quench my thirst. Synonyms include extinguish, satisfy, slake, tired, gratify, elevate, and antonyms includes ignite, inflame, arouse, stimulate, provoke, and worsen. Next word is query. Query basically means a question or inquiry about something that typically seeks information or clarification. Examples includes I have a query about assignment deadline. Could you clarify it to me? Synonyms include question, inquiry, investigation, interrogation, doubt, and uncertainty. And antonyms includes answer, solution, certainty, agreement, acceptance, and assurance. Next word is queue. Queue is basically a line or a sequence of a people or vehicles waiting their turn to be served or move forward. कितार में खड़े होने को queue कहते हैं. Example includes the queue outside the movie theater was so long that we have to wait for an hour to get our tickets. Synonyms includes line, row, chain, sequence, succession, and string. And antonyms includes disorder, disorganization, chaos, randomness, confusion, and anarchy. Next word is quirk. Quirk basically refers to an unusual habit or behavior or a sudden twist or turn in situation. अचानक जब बदलाव आता है तो उसके लिए हम quirk यूज करते हैं. या फिर कोई बहुत ही unusual सी किसी की हरकत हो या फिर जो है ना उसकी आदत हो उसके लिए हम quirk का वर्ड यूज करते हैं. One of his quirk was to always wear hats indoors. Synonyms include idiosyncrasy, peculiarity, eccentricity, equip, oddity, foible, and antonyms includes normality, conformity, regularity, commonness, order, ordinariness, and typicality. Next word is quiver. Quiver basically means to tremble or shake rapidly. An example include the Shuahaha began to quiver with excitement when it saw its owner come home. दो चीजों के लिए क्विवर का वर्ड यूज होता है. एक तो यही ट्रैम्बल या फिर शेक करना एक्साइटमेंट से रैपिडली, और दूसरा जो तैराकिश होता है जिसमें आप तीर रख रहे होते हैं उसके लिए भी क्विवर का वर्ड यूज होता है. Synonyms include shake, tremble, shiver, vibrate, quake, and flutter. And antonyms include steady, still, calm, compose, still, and smooth. Next word is quizzical. Quizzical basically refers to the facial expression or tone of the voice that indicate the confusion or mild amusement. जब आपके जैसे कहते हैं कि what does that mean? It means we're going to go there. ठीक है, अब जब आप इस तरह बोलेंगे तो आपकी आवाज से पता चल रहा है कि आपको थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन है या आपको एक सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, तो इसको हम कहते हैं quizzical. For example, his quizzical look suggested that he wasn't quite sure what was happening. Synonyms include curious, puzzled, questioning, sardonic, teasing, inquiring, and antonyms include straightforward, serious, earnest, solemn, humorless, and unamused. Next word is quotation. A quotation is basically a statement from a passage from a book, article, speech that is repeated or used by someone else in own work. For example, the students used a quotation from a famous author in their essay to support their argument. ठीक है, तो quotation basically वही होता है कि किसी की बात को quote करने के sense में आप इसको use कर सकते हैं. Synonyms basically include excitation, expert, reference, extract, quote, and passage. And antonyms includes original, intimation, paraphrase, summary, silence, and disapproval. This is all for today. Thank you so much.